of natural remedies that can work wonders for your hair. Beautiful hair is a real treasure for anyone, and essential oils are excellent helpers to achieve this goal. They're extremely powerful and can be used for hair care, for its strengthening, for growth, for damage restoration, and as an effective remedy against losing hair. Essential oils have been used for hundreds of years, and researchers found that they are highly effective in hair care. Brightside has prepared a list that will help you to choose the essential oil or mixture of oils that will correctly solve any hair issue. Don't miss the very important bonus at the end.1. Caring for dry hair. If you have dry hair, mix 5-7 drops of essential oil in 1 tablespoon of warm olive, coconut, corn or avocado oil. Work it into the scalp with your fingers. Leave for a few hours and then wash it off. Sandalwood oil seals in moisture and dry, damaged hair. Lavender oil is particularly beneficial for this purpose because it helps regulate sebum production, as well as seal in moisture. Ylang-ylang oil controls the fat content of the skin and increases the elasticity of the hair. Geranium oil balances the scalp's oil production as well as naturally conditioning it. Jasmine oil moisturizes hair and makes it soft and silky. Please note, jasmine essential oil must not, by any means, be used by pregnant or lactating women. 2. Caring for oily hair. If your hair is oily and quickly becomes greasy, the red essential oils can really help to normalize the work of the sebaceous glands. Mix 5-7 drops of oil with 1 tablespoon of carrier oil onto the scalp and rub vigorously for 2-3 minutes. Leave on the scalp for 60-90 minutes. Rinse. The best carrier oils for oily hair are pumpkin, almond, calendula oils. Grapefruit oil normalizes oil secretion. Lemon oil helps balance natural scalp oils. Geranium oil normalizes the work of the sebaceous glands and prevents the appearance of greasiness. 3. Strengthening and preventing hair loss. To make the hair strong and prevent hair loss, it is necessary to treat the hair roots. Mix 5-7 drops of oil with 1 tablespoon of carrier oil, rub it to the scalp, and leave for a few hours or overnight, then wash as usual. Olive, castor, or burdock oil should be used as the carrier oil. Lavender oil is a well-rounded type of oil that is used for preventing hair loss and restoring follicles. Rosemary oil strengthens roots and restores skin elasticity. Chamomile oil stimulates growth and nourishes the hair, restoring its strength. Clary sage oil stimulates regeneration and growth. Thyme oil stops hair loss, restoring weakened and damaged hair. 4. Stimulating the hair to grow. To make the hair strong and prevent hair loss, it is necessary to treat the hair roots. Mix 5-7 drops of oil with 1 tablespoon of carrier oil, rub it to the scalp, and leave for a few hours or overnight, then wash as usual. Olive, castor, or burdock oil should be used as the carrier oil. Lavender oil is a well-rounded type of oil that is used for preventing hair loss and restoring follicles. Rosemary oil strengthens roots and restores skin elasticity. Chamomile oil stimulates growth and nourishes the hair, restoring its strength. Clary sage oil stimulates regeneration and growth. Thyme oil stops hair loss, restoring weakened and damaged hair. 5. Dandruff removal. Dandruff is a common skin condition that happens to many of us, but some essential oils can help to eliminate it. Add 10 drops of the essential oil to 1 teaspoon of carrier oil and massage into scalp. Leave overnight while you sleep, and wash your hair in the morning. If leaving overnight is not an option, keep it on your hair for a few hours and then wash it off. The recommended carrier oil for this is castor, cedar or burdock oil. Tea tree, lemongrass, eucalyptus, and peppermint oils are excellent if the dandruff is caused by a fungus. In the case of a dry scalp, lavender or patchouli oils are the most effective treatment. 6. Damaged hair and split ends. The treatment for damaged hair and split ends can be done in one of 2 ways. Pre-wash treatment. Mix 5-7 drops of oil with 1 tablespoon of carrier oil and apply liberally to the hair, especially at the ends. Leave on at least 20 minutes, or overnight. Wash as usual. Leave-in hair treatment. Add 5-10 drops of each oil to a spray bottle and shake well before each use. Spray all over hair after shampooing while it's still wet. applying liberally to the ends. This treatment is also great if you have frizzy hair. The trick is to not over-apply it, otherwise you may end up with oily hair that urgently needs to be washed again. You literally need a very small amount, and it will make your hair feel luxurious and soft. The best carrier oils for this are jojoba, olive, almond, and avocado oils. Thyme oil remarkably restores the hair and brings back its healthy appearance, especially if it has been weakened or damaged by coloring or the use of hot tools. In case of split ends, lavender, chamomile, geranium, sandalwood, rosewood, and cedarwood oils are highly effective. 7. Application and wash. So wash off the essential oil mask. Don't wet your hair. First apply shampoo onto the oily hair, which in this case will require more than usual, and cleanse the entire length of the hair. Then wash it off. After this, wash your hair with shampoo again as usual. A mixture of 5-7 drops of oil and 1 tablespoon of carrier oil is normally just the right amount for medium-length hair. If your hair is short or very long, or you have lots of it, you may need to reduce or double the amount. Bonus: general rules for using essential oils. The essential oil is not applied in its pure form. Since essential oils are a very concentrated product, only a few drops need to be added to the carrier oil. Approximately 5-7 drops per 1 tablespoon. For preventive purposes, apply it once a week. For therapeutic purposes, -2-3 times a week. The result becomes visible after 2-3 weeks. Keep in mind that essential oils are very concentrated and always check to see if you are allergic to them. However, if you feel a slight burning sensation when using citrus or pine oil, this might be normal and indicates the inflow of blood to the scalp, which is exactly what it should be doing. Some oils should never be used by pregnant women. What is your favorite essential oil for hair care? Tell us in the comments below.